Okay. Recently in the mail, I received this mystery box. Now, I knew that I was going to be receiving some sort of a box, but I had absolutely no clue what was inside. So it was sent to me by a company here in Australia called Gadget Club, and full disclosure, they did reach out and asked if I'd be interested in partnering up and unboxing one of their subscription boxes on my channel, and I really like this concept as a whole, so I agree. But because this video is sponsored, I will be doing a giveaway which I'll give more details about at the back end of the video. Now for context, Gadget Club is a subscription box service. I'm sure you've all heard of similar ideas in the past, even perhaps other tech related ones as well. But the idea is that when you sign up to their subscription service, you will receive one mystery tech item each month for every month that you've signed up for. More often than not, the products that you receive are actually better value than what you'd have to pay if you were just buying them outright. But what makes Gadget Club unique is that the product you get each month is something innovative and fairly new to the market. Now, I've been told that the product I am unboxing today is one of the selected items that will be sent to subscribers in the coming months. So with that said, let's unbox it. So here is the Gadget Club box in all of its glory. We've got the logo nicely printed on top, and in fact, kind of reminds me of the Avengers style logo as I shift it in the light. But we're not here to admire the box, so let's get it open. Now out of the box comes something of decent size. I still can't say what it is because it's inside this outer layer, but it has the brand name Tagezo printed on the top. Tagezo. Not sure if I'm saying that correctly. I've never heard of that brand before though, so I'm very interested to see what's inside. And when we open it up, we have what is a very unique looking bag of some sort. It's got a really nice sort of hard shell feeling to it and quite a distinct geometric design, which I kind of like. Now the initial thought is, a bag? Is that tech related? But then I quickly noticed a little USB-A port over on the side here, so the gears start ticking away. My first guess is that this is a pass-through port for charging a device on the go, but let's head back to the studio and look at the bag in even more detail. Okay, so after spending a little bit more time with this bag by Tagezo, I've got to say for its compact form factor, this is a pretty impressive little bag. It's one of those sling backpacks and it has a clip on the front for easy dismount, but then taking a look inside and you can see that yes, as I thought, there is indeed a USB-A cable built in. So essentially you provide your own portable battery bank, plug that into the USB cord, hide it away in the bag, and then you grab your USB charging cable, plug that into the port on the side, then into your device, and there is your charging on the go. There's also 4 separate compartments inside the bag, including one that can be zipped up for extra protection. And I did a little bit of research on this bag and saw that on the Amazon AU site, it costs just a little more than $60, which is actually more than what you'd pay even for a one-off subscription box from Gadget Club. So I'd say this is a really nice get for this month's box. Now, as I said, because this video is sponsored by Gadget Club, we are doing a giveaway, and the giveaway is 3 free months to the Gadget Club subscription service, which is pretty dang cool if you ask me. And all you need to do to enter is comment down below the most unique piece of tech that you've ever used, and you will go into the running to be the lucky person who wins. Unfortunately, the giveaway is only open to Australian residents, as Gadget Club is currently only operating within the Australian borders. But if you like free stuff and you do not live in Australia, then feel free to head over to my Twitter and Instagram pages, as I give away heaps and heaps of promo codes to paid apps every single month. Aside from that, that's it. A big thank you to Gadget Club for partnering up and supporting the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you all very much for watching, and I will catch you later.